at that. Look at that, bro. It's a land of magic and wonder. It's a world of laughter, a world of cheer. It's a world of hope and a world of fear. Is that right? It's a world of, it's weird. It's got a darkness to it. Corn Dog Castle is calling. Corn Dog Castle beckons. Real quick corn dog. Real quick corn dog. It's the best corn dog I ever tasted in my life. I'm counting it as a ride. That corn dog took me for a ride of delicious flavor. Goofy's Flight School was a little more intense than I anticipated. Maybe shouldn't have had that corn dog right before Goofy's Flight School. This ride's called Ferris Wheel. Oh, corn dog. My red velveteen birthday pants. I don't know how these feel once you get super soaked. Let's find out, shall we? Get ready for the track. Breakfast of Champions. My nephew Chase knows what's up. Churros.
Blue milk.
Dude, blue milk. Straight from the teeth.
Let's go, let's get it.
I thought I was returning to my childhood on a journey of mystery and wonder, but instead it's become an endurance test. It's not doable. I just rocked a frozen banana. As you can see, I left nothing. Definitely the best frozen banana I've ever tasted. Given a 4.9997 out of 5, highest rating I've ever given a frozen banana. It's called Toy Story, and it's a competitive shooting game, and I aims to win. My nephew thinks because I'm his uncle that I'm gonna take it easy on him.
No.
Not today.
No, I'm better than you.
Oh, you better bring it. You better bring it, Chase. It's machine gun. It's all on the wrist, man. 192, baby. Not too shabby.